Hey there, I'm glad you're with me today. I'm Mark, and today I'll be drawing a Monarch Butterfly. All you need for this project is a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie, and some colored markers. Please smash that like button right now and click the notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. I'm going to start about halfway down my page and we're going to draw a couple little lines like this, and then we're going to come down towards the center, and let's try to mirror this, and then we'll come down like that. So this will be our body. So we'll do these two lines, but let's have a couple circles right here, and then we'll go ahead and fill this in with black. Over here we'll come down just a little bit, right about here, and then we're going to come up over in this direction, and then we're going to come down, bend just a little bit, and then as you come down we want to end right about here. Okay, so with this top wing, so we're going to come down and then we're going to come over like this, and then we'll just come and kind of bend that just a little bit. Now let's try to do the same thing on the other side. Now it's okay if these are different. It doesn't have to be exact. Now what we want to do is we want to come from right about here, and we're going to come and just draw this like a little bit of these bumpy shapes. And as you come down, we want to end somewhere about here. So we're going to come down like that. And then as we get to this point, we're going to come back to the body right about here on both sides. Okay, so we're going to come down like that, and then we'll round. Okay, so if you want to put that in right now, down and round, and then right over here we can come out and just have these round shapes like that, just kind of these little bumps. Now we'll draw a thickness for this top edge here. So we're going to come up like this, and then as you get around here, we're going to do this little bump, and then we're going to do a line that comes down and kind of comes in like this. So we're going to come like this, and then we're going to round this, and then we're going to come into this line like that, and then we'll do one up here. Okay, now let's split the difference, okay, because we're going to have one more in here. So we're going to come like that, and then we're going to do a bump like that. So we'll have these like three little shapes like that. Now let's do the same on the other side. Okay, now we'll go and draw this little round kind of peanut shape over there with two additional shapes up here. And we'll do the same on the other side. Then we can do a couple more circles here with two more over there. So we'll do 4 circles on both sides. Okay, now let's go down to the lower section. I'm going to do this kind of triangular shape at an angle right over there. At the bottom, I'm just going to draw this line like this that kind of hooks up. Then I'm going to draw another line right about here, and I'm going to come over, and then this is going to come up. Let's draw that over here. So I'm going to come over and up, and then this is going to have a little bit of a bend to it. So a little bit of a bend to it, and then this will come and connect back like that. Come up like this, and we'll do the same on this side. So we'll come up, bend and hook. And then I'm going to come off of here, do another shape. It comes down like that. So this one's going to come down like that. And then we'll just keep drawing a couple more shapes. And the reason I'm doing them at the same time is because it just helps me keep them lined up. So I'm kind of mirroring everything I do at the same time. Maybe 2 shapes in here if you can squeeze them in. So we'll do one in there, and then we'll just do a secondary one like this, and like that, and then this will just connect. So I'm just gonna go and just add a few more round circular shapes, and I'll try to maybe do them at the same time. So if I add 3 on one side, I'll add 3 on the other. Now let's finish off the antenna. So I'm gonna have like these little points that come off like that, and you can even do a couple little points off the back. And then the antenna is gonna come over like this, and then just have a little bump at the top of it. Okay, so we'll just kind of come off like that, and just this little bump on the end. Before I go and marker everything in with black, I'm gonna go and use my colored markers and add some color, and then I'm gonna fill everything else in with black. So follow along as we color this in with some markers. Well, I hope yours turned out really cool like this one did. If you like the drawing, please click the like button on the channel down below. And why not subscribe to it as well? I do videos like these ones over here on the left every weekday. And until that next one, I'll hopefully see you then. Bye-bye.